Welcome, dear friends in Path of Buddha. Many people believe that a home becomes unclean only when dust gathers on the floor or clutter fills the rooms. Yet the deepest impurities are often invisible. Stress, anger, fear, resentment, and constant worry can quietly settle into a living space, affecting the mind and spirit of everyone who enters. A peaceful home is not created by walls and furniture alone. It is created by the energy we cultivate within it. Today, let us explore 3 simple steps to purify your home and invite greater harmony into your life. The first step is to clear physical clutter with mindful awareness. Every object in your home carries a memory and a purpose. When unnecessary items accumulate, they can create a sense of heaviness in the mind. Walk through each room slowly. Remove what no longer serves a useful purpose. As you clean, do not rush. Treat the process as a meditation. With each item you release, imagine letting go of old worries, disappointments, and burdens. An organized space encourages a calm and focused mind. The second step is to purify the atmosphere through silence and gratitude. Choose a quiet moment each day. Open the windows and allow fresh air to enter. Sit peacefully and take slow, gentle breaths. As you breathe, silently express gratitude for the shelter that protects you, the people who share your life, and the lessons that each day brings. Gratitude transforms ordinary spaces into places of peace. When the mind becomes grateful, negativity loses its power. The third step is to fill your home with compassionate energy. Words have great influence. Speak kindly to family members, guests, and even to yourself. Avoid bringing unnecessary conflict into your living space. Small acts of generosity, patience, and understanding create a powerful atmosphere that can be felt by everyone who enters. A home filled with compassion becomes a refuge from the noise and confusion of the world. Remember, true purification does not come from special rituals or rare objects. It begins within the heart. When you clear clutter, practice gratitude, and nurture compassion, your home naturally becomes lighter, calmer, and more welcoming. Clear physical clutter. Mindfully remove unnecessary items from your home to create a lighter, more peaceful environment and reduce mental stress. Many people underestimate the effect that physical clutter has on the mind. A crowded room often creates a crowded mind, even when we are not fully aware of it. Every item we keep in our home occupies not only physical space, but also a small portion of our attention. Old possessions, broken objects, and things we no longer use can silently remind us of unfinished tasks, past disappointments, or unnecessary attachments. Over time, this accumulation can create a feeling of heaviness that affects our peace and clarity. The process of clearing clutter is about much more than cleaning. It is an opportunity to practice awareness and intentional living. As you walk through your home, take a moment to observe each object. Ask yourself whether it serves a meaningful purpose or brings genuine value to your life. If it does not, consider letting it go with gratitude. This simple act teaches the mind to release attachment and welcome change. Let go of negative energy. Treat cleaning as a mindful practice, releasing old worries, resentment, and emotional burdens, along with physical clutter. In the rush of daily life, silence has become a rare and valuable treasure. Many homes are constantly filled with noise from conversations, devices, worries, and endless distractions. While these sounds may seem harmless, they often leave little room for reflection and inner peace. Creating moments of silence within your home can transform its atmosphere in subtle yet powerful ways. Silence allows the mind to settle, just as muddy water becomes clear when left undisturbed. Begin by choosing a quiet time each day, even if it is only a few minutes. Open a window and allow fresh air to move through your living space. As the air circulates, imagine it carrying away tension, stress, and stagnant energy. Sit comfortably and focus on your breathing. There is no need to force your thoughts away. Simply observe them as they come and go, like clouds drifting across the sky. Practice silence and gratitude daily. Spend a few quiet moments each day breathing deeply, appreciating your home, and cultivating a grateful mindset. A home is shaped not only by its appearance, but also by the energy created through the actions and words of the people who live within it. Every conversation, every gesture, and every intention leaves an impression on the atmosphere of a space. When harsh words, impatience, or anger become common, tension can quietly settle into the environment. On the other hand, when kindness and understanding are practiced regularly, the home begins to feel lighter, warmer, and more welcoming. Compassionate energy starts with the way we speak. Before responding in moments of frustration, pause for a moment and consider whether your words will bring peace or create more conflict. A gentle response often has the power to calm situations that might otherwise grow into arguments. Small acts of patience can prevent unnecessary suffering for both yourself and others. Compassion is also expressed through simple daily actions, listening carefully when someone speaks, offering help without expecting anything in return, and showing appreciation for the efforts of others can strengthen the bonds within a household. These actions may seem small, but their impact is profound. Fill the home with compassionate energy. Use kind words, patience, understanding, and small acts of generosity to create a harmonious atmosphere. Many people search for special rituals, symbolic objects, or complicated practices to bring peace and positive energy into their homes. While such traditions may hold personal meaning, lasting transformation comes from something far deeper. The true source of harmony is not found outside of us, but within our own minds and hearts. A home reflects the inner condition of those who live there. When the mind is troubled, even the most beautiful surroundings can feel uncomfortable. When the mind is peaceful, even a simple dwelling can feel like a sanctuary. Inner purification begins with honest self-observation. Take time to notice the thoughts and emotions that frequently arise throughout the day. Are they filled with worry, resentment, jealousy, or fear? Or do they encourage patience, gratitude, and understanding? The quality of these thoughts influences the atmosphere you create around you. By becoming aware of negative patterns, you gain the ability to gradually replace them with healthier and more constructive ones. True purification begins within a peaceful home, is not created by rituals alone, but by developing inner clarity, gratitude, and compassion that naturally radiate outward. A peaceful home is not measured by its size, its decorations, or the value of the possessions it contains. Its true beauty lies in the feeling it creates when someone walks through the door. A home becomes a place of refuge when it supports peace of mind, emotional balance, and a sense of belonging. This kind of atmosphere cannot be purchased or built overnight. It is created gradually through the choices we make each day and the values we choose to practice. When physical clutter is cleared away, the mind gains space to breathe and think more clearly. When moments of silence and gratitude become part of daily life, stress begins to lose its grip, making room for contentment and appreciation. When compassion guides our words and actions, relationships become stronger, conflicts become easier to resolve, and trust grows naturally. These simple practices work together to create an environment where harmony can flourish. The most important lesson is that every person has the ability to influence the energy of their home. We do not need extraordinary circumstances to create peace. Small, consistent actions often have the greatest impact. A kind word, a patient response, a moment of reflection, or an act of gratitude may seem insignificant, yet they slowly transform the atmosphere around us. As these habits become part of everyday life, the home evolves into more than a place to live. It becomes a sanctuary of calm, a source of strength during difficult times, and a space where both the mind and heart can find lasting peace.